Hello and welcome to another TP's Diary video. We're now at the Race Retro show at Stoneleigh Park. We're going to go into the hall now and see what we can see. It's all very exciting. There's a nice big auto jumble here, so hopefully we can find some great trinkets. And then, of course, we've got the auction a bit later, and hopefully we can bid farewell to our lovely Jaguar XK150 and see it on its way. So let's go and see what we can see. So this is all Jaguar stuff. Look at that.
I'm saying.
Let's see. Yeah, let's go and find out where we are, and then we'll. There's some people looking. Hello, Alan.
How are you doing?
I'm all right. Very nice. Yeah.
So yeah, we'll see. See how it goes.
Yeah. Well, let's see whether this. I would imagine it should sell. Fingers crossed.
I've got my fingers crossed for you anyway.
Yeah, I should imagine it should.
Well, I'll be at the front. You're not recording me now, are you?
Yeah. 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 I'm just getting a bit of B-roll.
Yeah. Delete this bit.
I'm going to be interested to see what this one goes for. Starting to get a bit nervous now. And what do you think?
Where do we start this one then?
Where do you think this one's going? I don't know. It's got estimated between 30 and 35,000. There is an E-Type in the auction, which I haven't seen go under the hammer yet, but this one's the first Jag that's actually gone under the hammer. It's really tricky to know what the prices should be. So it's whether or not somebody's willing to pay for it. I suppose it's a bit like a piece of antique furniture. You know, it's only worth what somebody wants to pay for it.
Thank you for your bid, at 29,000. All done.
29, I think that's. So here we are. This is the car before our one, our lot, which is 743. It's going to be really interesting. I'm getting very nervous now. Phone's going ballistic with everyone trying to get in a message beforehand. I've got messages from Germany, Romania,
and
England, Hampshire. Okay, so now we're into the serious stuff. Well, let's hope this car finds a nice home. And I'm quite excited to see what we end up with. And here we go. Oh no, not quite. So 74 grand for the car. This is the one before ours. I'm just babbling now.
Another two elsewhere. 74,000. That's the bid online. Was there another?
Okay.
Thinking time on the phone. 74,000.
Look at me.
75,000. 75,000. Same courtesy out there online. 76.
Oh, this one's almost gone, and then we're thinking, right, it's our turn next.
76 is next. What are we thinking out there? Don't miss it for a bit. 75,000.
I know.
You owned it for a moment at £75,000 to get you for the moment online. Bids at 75. Your hovering 76,000. 76,000. 76,000. All that elsewhere is 76,000.
Okay.
You in Waterstone. That's yours at 76,000. Well done. 170.
And here we are. This is our car.
On to lot number 743 in
Oh.
1960. Jaguar XK150.
And I can feel my phone in my pocket buzzing.
Of course, the manual overdrive gearbox. Great colour combination there.
Hello.
Coming through as well. Only then at 32.
Hey, yeah, hello. I'm in the hall and I'm watching.
32,000.
Yeah, hi Gary. How are you doing?
33,000. Why not? 33,000.
Are you there?
33,000. Against you online now. 33,000.
I can't hear you.
33,000. Take another
No,
bid
I'm
online.
behind you. I'm
34,000.
behind.
35,000.
I can't see.
Standing on my left at 35,000.
So if you look behind to your right, you will see me.
Again, 35,000.
Oh, hang on. I'm here.
35,000. So are you bidding, sir?
Okay. No,
Bidding?
no,
No,
no.
you're not bidding. Okay, you clearly owned yourself a Jaguar.
That's mine.
35,000.
I almost bought my own car.
36,000. That's online now. 36. Yes, 37,000. 37,000.
Come on, we want a bit more than that.
37,000. Take another one anywhere else then. 37,000. That's the bid in the room.
Come on.
Oh, we're all done and short then.
No,
37,000.
surely not. 38.
38,000. That's
Come
online.
on.
38,000. 39,000.
Come on, we want a bit more.
What
Hello.
do you want, 39,000?
Just ringing to wish you luck.
Oh, thank you.
Telling you that's the important.
Yeah, yeah.
39,000.
Come on.
40,000.
All right, thanks.
40,000. At 40,000. Keep it in ones for you if you like.
Come on, a bit more.
41,000. They do online. 41,000. At 41,000. It's against you, Charles. 42,000.
Excellent. No, no.
42,000. Was there another few out there online?
Come on.
42,000.
This
That's
is
a bit on the telephone. 43,000.
Absolute gem, this car.
43,000. What do we think, Charles? At 43,000. Would you like 44? 44, thank you. 44,000.
Come on. Let's see if we can get to 50.
44,000.
50. We want 50.
With you on the telephone. It's against you online now. Selling all the way then at 44,000.
Come on. Another one. You can do another
Last shot then
1,000.
at 44,000. Here and selling at 44,000. Sure online.
Oh, it's gone 45. Brilliant.
45,000.
Come on. 46. We go up 46.
What do we think there, Charles? 46,000.
It's gone 46. Brilliant.
Against you online again. 46,000 a bit.
Will it get to 50? Come on. No,
46,000
4
bid.
grand. It's 47.
47,000. 47,000.
Yeah.
Was there
My
another
mouth's dry.
47,000. 48,000.
Come on.
48,000. Against you online again. Telephone leads at 48,000. 49,000.
It's going to get
Just ahead
50.
of you on the sale.
It will get 50.
I took first at 49,000.
I'm happy with that.
Just ahead of
I'm
you on the
happy
sale.
with that.
By a nanosecond, but at 49,000.
I know we're in for a bit more,
50
but
anywhere else I don't mind.
it was all part of
50,000, thank you,
it.
Charles.
Fantastic. We hit 50. Come on.
50,000. Was there another anywhere else? 15,000 only. Telephone leads, and it's against you online, against your sale room, selling then at 50,000, 51,000.
Yeah,
Back
51.
online at
Brilliant.
51,000.
Over their estimate. That's good.
51,000. Charles, was there another fuel bid? 51,000. 51,000. 52,000. Sale room now at 52,000.
Excellent.
52,000. With the sale room bid.
I can put that down now.
53,000. Back on iconic.
Come
line,
on.
53,000.
Will it get to 55?
Any more bids now? Selling all the way then at 53,000. If we're all done and short then, at 53,000, then selling to online.
Yay! I love that. It's going up now.
55,000.
No, I'll buy my own car back.
55,000.
That's exciting.
Yeah.
55,000.
Come on.
Bids online against you, Charles. 56 if you wish. Otherwise, we sell at 55,000. 56,000. 56,000. Against
That's
you online
good.
again. 56,000.
That's good.
bid here. 57,000.
That's good. That's good.
57,000.
Will it get to 60? That would be brilliant.
Is that what you want?
That's what I want. That's. If we get to 60,
58,000. Thank you.
if we get to
58,000.
60,
You need to send him a bottle.
58,000.
yeah. If we get to 60, we've got our money back. We've got our money back.
Was there another for you then at 58,000?
Come on.
Otherwise, we sell then at 58,000. They're wanting to then 58,000 on the telephone. Selling
Come on.
59,000. 59,000.
This is so good.
59,000 bids. Are we all done and sure then, Charles? 59,000. 59,000. Any further bids then? With you
Come
online,
on.
60,000 was. Back on the telephone at 60,000. 60,000 then.
Come on.
Against you online again. 60,000. Any further
Well,
bids?
that's
If we're all
I'm
done and sure,
speechless.
fair warning to have online. Here on the telephone at 60. Selling all the way at 60,000. Your card,
Yay!
60,000. Thank you.
So there you go. We've found a new home for this our beautiful XK150, and we wish it all the best, and the new owner all the very best. They've certainly purchased a lovely car that's well sorted, and they'll have plenty. Whoops. They'll have plenty of enjoyment for many, many years. So I'm thrilled to bits about that. And so yes. I hope you enjoyed these series of videos, and if you did, please give us the thumbs up, and hit that like button, do subscribe, and there are going to be plenty more videos of future projects coming very soon.